Hello, my name is William, and I'm here to introduce you to the Royal Row-Write. This product allows you to write on paper, but at the same time make a digital copy, which allows you to share it in this modern world. But first, a little bit about Royal.
Royal is recognized as a global leader in flexible display and flexible sensor technologies. The company's goal is to improve the way people interact with their personal environments through the use of flexible technologies. And the Row-Write Smart Writing Pad is their latest consumer offering. The main advantage to Row-Write is that you write as you normally would, using regular ballpoint ink in the Row-Write pen on a notepad with standard A5 paper. The Row-Write itself is a huge capacitive touch sensor that can track the position of the pen, and the Row-Write's pen includes pressure-sensitive technology to measure how hard the pen presses on the paper. From this information, Row-Write can recreate the drawing or note-taking. All of this is saved digitally on the Row-Write and then uploaded to the free Row-Write app. Compatible with both Android and iPhone smartphones, the Row-Write app acts as a storage and editing platform. You are able to arrange your files, color your drawings, convert your notes to editable text, or send your work digitally via email or any other messaging app on your smartphone. You are even able to do a stroke-by-stroke video transfer with the files. This 10-second video is able to be uploaded to the social media site of your choosing. When you open the box, you will find a folio, the Row-Write, a special Row-Write pen, a USB charging cord, and this cord can be used with any 1 or 2 amp power adapter you already have, and a pen accessory bag that will have your quadruple A battery. And make sure you remove the plastic wrapping before inserting it in the pen. An extra pen ink cartridge, and a special ink cartridge extractor tool. To set up the system, put the quadruple A battery in the pen and charge your Row-Write device. The last leg of the journey is to download the free smartphone app. On either the iTunes Store or Google Play, search for Row-Write. Once you load the app, you'll be asked to make an account. This will allow cloud services to save your files even if your local memory is damaged. Pairing your Row-Write is just a matter of turning the Row-Write on, finding it on the app through the Bluetooth connection, or taking a picture of the barcode. Here are some basic items to keep in mind about the Royal Row-Write. The Row-Write pen is a special pen that has a pressure sensor embedded within. This pen will take the standard D1 mini ballpoint pen replacement ink cartridges. The pen requires a quadruple A size battery. Although this is often difficult to find in stores, it is a standard size and easily found online. Row-Write can sense the pen position through any non-conductive material, so any paper can be used. The caveat is that the paper must not move. To this end, special Row-Write paper pads are available that have guide holes and keep the paper pad in place. These 19-sheet paper pads are available in packs of 10 on the Royal.com e-store. The rechargeable Row-Write battery lasts for about 8 hours of use. This is enough to get through a day of classes, meetings, or convention sessions. Now, you need to remember to press the B button whenever you turn the page. The top 5 points to remember when telling a customer about Row-Write are: 1. Write as you normally would, using the Row-Write special pen with regular ballpoint ink on a notepad with standard A5 paper. 2. A free Row-Write app downloads your work, allows you to edit, saves your work as PDF, JPEG, PNG, TXT, or MP4 files, and allows you to easily export to cloud services or share with coworkers, friends, or family using messaging or social media. 3. The Convert to Text feature takes your handwriting and turns it into editable typed text. Simply write left to right, and with one press, your handwriting is converted. Save and share with coworkers or export to word processing programs for further editing. 4. When paired to the app, Row-Write captures a video of every stroke, so you can share as an MP4 file and let others watch what you created. 5. The Row-Write includes a handy protective folio so you can take it with you to business meetings, drawing sessions in the park, or to class.
The Royal Row-Write has enjoyed success with people who love the feel of writing on paper, yet live in the digital world. Thank you for joining the effort and letting these people know what they can do with the Royal Rowrite.